Today we are going to see about food adulteration. First, what do you mean by adulteration? It is nothing but addition or subtraction of any of the substances to or from the food. Something you are adding or something you are removing from the food. That is called as adulteration. What do you mean by adulterant? It is nothing but the substance which are used for the adulteration purpose are called adulterants. For example, pepper. You know what is the speciality of the pepper, isn't it? So to the pepper, what they will do means they will add the papaya seeds. The dried papaya seeds will be added to the pepper, which is called as an adulterant. So here papaya seed is called as an adulterant. The total concept we can tell it as adulteration process. Next we are going to see about some of the adulteration. So which food will be adulterated with which product? So first we are going to see about the milk. Milk, it is always added with the water. And the pepper, as I told you, pepper seeds, papaya seeds they will be adding. Rice, small size white stone they will be added, like a pebble stone we can say. Tea powder with the sawdust. And the chili powder, brick powder. Brown sugar always added with the janggery powder. Honey with the sugar syrup. And mutton, it will be, since mutton is little bit costly, they will be adding beef and pork. And turmeric powder with the color powder they will be added, and oil it will be added with the or adulterated with the dalda or animal fat. Next we are going to see about the effects of adulteration, adulterated food. If you are consuming the adulterated food, what will happen? So that we are going to see here. So first, fever and diarrhea. Diarrhea, it is nothing but along with the stool sample or along with the waste matter, blood will come. That is called diarrhea. Nausea, feeling like vomiting, but vomit will not come. That is called nausea. And next, vomiting. Then gastrointestinal disorder, the stomach upset we used to say. The digestion problem will be caused here. Asthma, skin allergies, neurological disorder. Some of the nerve problem we used to get it. Kidney failure, cancer. Especially stomach cancer or colon cancer will be reached, and stomach and headache will be there, and birth defect, it is nothing but the fertility problem will be started when a person is consuming more. The continuous form of adulteration may lead to birth defects in both male also. Now the last session, learn and write, mention about the adulteration and adulterant with an example. 10 points you want to write it. Okay, what I have given. Some more you have to find out, and you want to write 10 points which food is added with the adulterant. And next question, what are the ill effects caused by the consumption of adulterated food? So what are the problems you will be facing because of this consumption of this adulterated food are the two questions which you want to write it. Thank you.